Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, where you for the next few minutes. Please give me your full attention because for the next few minutes, please give me your full attention because what I am about to share could change the way you move, the way you feel, and maybe even the way you live. Many people believe weak legs are simply a normal part of aging, but modern research suggests aging is only part of the story. Muscles need proper nutrition, movement, rest, and daily care. Before we begin, a gentle but important warning. If you have sudden leg weakness, numbness, severe pain, or frequent falls, please seek medical evaluation from a qualified healthcare professional. Don't ignore these symptoms. Now let's explore 6 everyday foods that may help support muscle health and mobility as part of a balanced lifestyle. Number 6, eggs. Eggs provide high quality protein and leucine, and amino acid that helps support muscle protein synthesis and repair. For many people, 2 or 3 eggs as part of a balanced breakfast can be a practical way to increase protein. Next, number 5, salmon. Salmon is rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which may help support overall health and reduce inflammation. Aim for 2 to 3 servings each week if it fits your dietary preferences and medical advice. Number 4, dark leafy greens. Spinach and other dark leafy greens provide magnesium, vitamin K, potassium, and natural nitrates that help support normal muscle function and healthy blood flow. Add them to omelets, soups, salads, or smoothies for an easy nutrition boost. Number 3, Greek yogurt. Plain yogurt is an excellent source of protein and calcium. Many varieties also contain live culture that support gut health, which plays an important role in overall nutrition. Try it with fresh berries or a handful of nuts. Number 2, beets. Beets contain natural nitrates that may support healthy blood flow during activity. Roast them, add them to salads, or blend them into smoothies. And number 1, extra virgin olive oil, rich in monosaturated fats and compounds that may help reduce inflammation. Use it as part of a balanced diet drizzled over vegetables, salads, or other meals. Final message: no single food can magically rebuild weak muscles, but combined with movement, good sleep, and balanced nutrition, they can support better muscle health and mobility. Every healthy choice today is an investment in your future strength. Now for the prayer. Allah bless us with good health, guide us to make wise choices, grant healing to those who are sick, strength to those who are weak, and peace to every heart. Ameen. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more evidence-informed health contents. Leave a comment and tell us which of these foods you already eat, and thanks you for watching. Stay healthy, stay active, and we'll see you next time. Please be with you which one you will add to your routine first. Thank you.